morning children, myself Sumalatha. I am the maths teacher of Kakatiya Public School. Today I am going to continue the word sums of money topic. Yes, let's do this word sum here. What they given here? Veena bought vegetables for 52 rupees 60 paise. Fruits for 145 rupees 50 paise. And sugar for 30 rupees. How much money did she spend in all? In all nothing but you need to do the addition. Okay. So they have brought the Veena. She bought the three things which are vegetables, fruits and sugar, and they have given here its cost also. We need to find the total amount which he has spent. Okay, come on, means total amount means what you need to do, children. Here you need to do the addition. Come on, let's arrange that given numbers into the columns and let's write the steps and later we will do the addition. Come on, first steps. Cost of vegetables. How much cost of vegetables? Vegetables she brought here for 52 rupees 60 paise. Okay. Next, cost of fruits. Next items are fruits. Fruits cost is here 145 rupees 50 paise. Okay. Coming to the sugar here. Cost of sugar. What is the cost of sugar here? 30 rupees. And here paisa is not given, no? So you can take the 0, 0, 0. Wherever you don't have the digits, there you can take in the places you can take the 0 children. So here I am taking 0 and here I am taking 0. And what you need to do this problem? Addition. Come on, let's add this. And what is the final required step is? She spent in all. Therefore, she spent amount in all. Yes, children, come on, let's add here. 0 plus 0 plus 0. 0. Now 6 plus 5 plus 0. 6 after 5. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We are getting 6 after 5 means 11. 11 after 0 means again 11 itself. So 11 is 2 digit number, no children. So 1 here I can take and 1 as a carry. Now here, come on, let's add this column here and point should be in order, which is separating the rupees number and paise number. Now 1 plus 2. 1 after next to 2 numbers. 1 after next to 2 numbers means 2, 3. We are getting 3. 3 after next to 5 numbers. So 3 after next to 5 numbers means 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 after next to 5 numbers will be 8. 8 plus 0 is 8 itself. Okay, something plus 0 itself, children. Okay, 8 plus 0 is 8 itself. Now 5 plus 4. 5 after next to 4. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. So next 4 means 9. 9 after next to 3. So 10, 11, 12. So we are getting here 12. So 12 is 2 digit number now. So 2 here and 1 carry. Okay. Now 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. So how much amount she spent in all these three items here? She spent the amount is 200 and already it is there 228 rupees 10 paise. Okay. Come on children, let's do the next problem here. I will look at it. Santosh bought a pair of shoes worth 359 rupees 85. Means cost of the shoes are 359 rupees 85 paise. And if he gave a note, a 500 rupee note to the shopkeeper, how much money should he get back? Means he given the more amount than the worth of the shoes. Yes, he given the more amount to the shopkeeper than the worth of the shoes. Means something if he gave more amount to the shopkeeper, surely we will get back the amount. So how you'll find the get back the amount, children? Whatever we given to the shopkeeper, from that amount we need to subtract the cost of the things which are shoes in this problem. Okay, means we need to do the subtract 359 rupees 85 paise from the 500 rupee note. Okay, come on, means this is the subtraction, children. Keep in mind, children, whenever you are finding the get back amount, compulsory you need to do the subtraction. Let's write the steps and let's do the subtraction. Now, first, when you are doing the subtraction, what you need to take the first number, children? First, always should be the bigger number, which is 500 in this problem. Okay, so what you write here? Santosh gave amount to the shopkeeper. How much amount he has given here? He has given 500 rupees. And in this we don't have the pice, children, so we can keep the 0.00 in the place of pice. And coming to the here, next step. Cost of a pair of shoes. Let's arrange the numbers in order, children, so it will be easy to write, easy to do the subtraction. Okay, and now what is the cost of the shoes here? 359 rupees 85 paise. Okay, let's subtract these numbers. Okay, so here have a look at this, children. 0 minus 5, it is not possible, children. So what we need to do here? We need to take the borrow from the before, but before also we have all zeros. So we can take the borrow from the 5 here. Okay, so if I take the borrow from 5, so 5 will become 4. And here it will become first 10. And later if I am taking the borrow from here, so it will become 9. Okay, again if here it will be the 10, children, but I require the borrow here now, so again I am passing the borrow here, so it will become the 9 when I pass the borrow second time. And here it will be the first 10, and later if I am passing the borrow from the 10, so it will become the 9 and it will become the 10. Now I require the borrow here. Now 10 minus 5. So 10 minus 5 it is possible, children. So here, or else you can 10 minus 5 you can do, or else you can start counting from 5 to reach the 10. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5 numbers I require to reach the 10. So here I am writing 5. Now 9 minus 8, or else you can start counting from 8 to reach the 9. 8 after 9, only one number I require to reach the 9. So here I am writing 1. And next, here 9 minus 9. Same numbers when you are subtracting, you will get the 0, children. So 0. And now 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5, or else you can start counting from 5 to reach the 9. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4 numbers are required to reach the 9. Here I am writing here 4. Now 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3, or else 3 after to get the 4. How much numbers I require? 1 number I require to reach the 4. So 1. Okay. This is the amount which he will get the back from the shopkeeper. So 140 rupees 15 paise. He will get back the amount. So what is the required step? Therefore, amount which he get back. Yes, children? Is it clear? Whenever you are finding the get back amount, compulsory you need to do the subtraction. let's do this problem here. Jeevan bought a toy car for 150 rupees. Means its toy car cost is 150 rupees. Children. A crayon box for 37 rupees 50 paise and a book for 58 rupees. Means Jeevan bought three things which are toy car, crayon box and book chair, and its cost, its amount also given here. So what we need to do with this? How much did he spend? Means for this total three items, how much amount he spent we need to find. Means how you will get the how much amount which he spent? By adding these three numbers you get how much amount he spent for these three items. Okay. Coming to next, what they given here means for this question, how much amount did he spend? First question has given no. So for this question we need to do addition. So next they have given some more information. Let's see that if he gave 300 rupees, means 300 rupees to shopkeeper has given children. Okay. So how much money did he get back? Back amount has given, and back amount they are asking means compulsory he has given more amount than these three items cost. Then only we will, if we give more amount to shopkeeper, then only we get back my children. So it means the more amount, 300 is more amount than these three items cost. Okay, after getting the three items cost together, you need to subtract the sum from the 300 rupees to get back the amount. Okay, means this problem you need to do first addition and later on subtraction children. First let's do the addition here. Yes. Cost of a toy car. What is the cost of a toy car here? 150 rupees. Yes. Next item is cost of a crayon box, which is a cost of 37 rupees 50 paise. And next one more item is there here, book. So cost of a book, which is 58 rupees. Yes, three things they given now. First question is what? How much amount did he spend in all? So therefore it's a required. He spent amount in all. So how you will get in all amount? How to get here? So you need to do by adding these three numbers. So first I am taking your 150 rupees plus 37 rupees 50 paise plus 58 rupees. Come on, let's add these numbers in rough column children. Here I am taking that. First is 150 rupees and second is 37. Decimal point is there no children. So 37 rupees 50 paise. Arrange properly children. And next one is 58 rupees. And yes, for this and for this we don't have the paise children, so we can keep the point and two zeros. And here also two zeros. And we need to do addition on here. Here also digits are not there, means you can take the 0 children. Come on, let's add here to get the total amount which he spent. Now 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. Now 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 0 is again 5. Yes. Next 0 plus 7 is 7. And 7 plus 8. So it's 8 children. So 7 plus 8. 7 after 8. Next 8 numbers. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So next 8 numbers when we are adding. So we are getting the 15 children. So here 5 and one number as a gap. Now 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 after next 3 numbers. 6 after next 3 number means 7, 8, 9. Now 9 after next 5 number. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we are getting the 14 here. So 4 here, 1 carry. Okay. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 0 is 2 itself. 2 plus 0 is 2 itself. So what is the amount of the three things together? 245 rupees 50 paise. Come on, let's write that amount here. 245 rupees 50 pice. Together amount of these three things here. Okay. Now we have completed up to here. Now still we have to do this problem, children. So what I given, if he gave 300 and how much, this is a less than 300 only now, means he will get back amount from the shopkeeper. So how you will get the back amount? By subtracting the 245 things cost from the 300 which he has given to shopkeeper. So come on, let's write the steps here. These are the things cost, okay? And how much he has given here? He gave to the shopkeeper. So more has given now here. 300 has given. Now how to find the get back amount? Come on, this is the final step. Hence, he get back amount from the shopkeeper. So how you will get back amount of the shopkeeper from the shopkeeper? 300 rupees minus 245 rupees and 50 pice. Come on, let's find here subtraction here in rough column. First 300 rupees and next 245 rupees 50 pice. And here pice amount is not there now. You can keep the 0.00 and let's subtract this. 0 minus 0 is obviously 0. And 0 minus 5 it's not possible to subtract. So we need to take the borrow from 3. So 3 will become 2. And here first it will become 10 children. Later on if I take the borrow here it will become 9. And here it will become 10. But I require the borrow to the next. So again I should pass the borrow. Okay. So if I am passing here it will become 9 and it will become 10. Now let's subtract 10 minus 5 or you can start counting from 5 to reach the 10. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5 numbers are required here or else 10 minus 5 is 5. Come on. Now next 9 minus 5 or else you can start counting from 5 to reach the 9. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 4 numbers are required. Next 9 minus 4 or else start counting from 4 to reach the 9. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 numbers are required. Or else 9 minus 4 is 5. And 2 minus 2, same number now, obviously it will be 0. So what amount he will get back from the shopkeeper after purchasing these 3 items? So 54 rupees 50 pice. He'll get back the amount from the shopkeeper. Okay. Yes children, I hope you understood which I explained in this video children. Come on, let's do the worksheet with that type of problems. See, Anil bought a book for 135 rupees 50 pice. A book for this much cost children. A notebook for 16 rupees 60 pice. This is a book cost and this is a notebook cost children. And a pencil box for 25 rupees 25 pice. So that is the cost of pencil box. So what we need to do with this amount here? How much money did he spend in all? Means totally how much money he spent on these 3 items you need to find the total amount. Nothing but you need to do the addition. Means you have to add these 3 amounts children. So you will get the total amount. Means first problem you need to do the addition. Okay. Coming to the second problem here. Charles had 148 rupees with him. Okay, that boy Charles had this much amount with him. He bought biscuits for 37 rupees 75 pice. Means biscuits cost is 37 rupees 75 pice. How much money was left with him? After purchasing the biscuits, how much money means? Firstly, he had the more amount than the biscuit cost. Means from this amount he purchased he spent some amount for the biscuits. Okay, so some more amount will be no. So what will be the left amount you need to find? Nothing but left amount when you are finding or back amount when you are finding. You need to do the subtraction children. Means from the 148 rupees you need to subtract the 37 rupees 75 paise. Okay, coming to the last problem here. On her birthday, Meena got 500 rupee from her grandmother. Okay, she brought the 500 rupee from her grandmother. She spent 175 rupees 75 paise on juice. Okay, this much amount on juice, and 235 rupees 45 paise on muffins. Okay, for her friends. Okay, means she bought the two items, which is juice and muffins, and its cost, that amount also has given. Means these two items amount spent from the 500 rupees. Now, how much money is left with her? Now, after purchasing these two things, so she has given the more amount to the shopkeeper than these two things. Okay, so she'll get back amount also. So what we need to do this problem, children? See total amount. You need to find the spent amount on these two items. Means the two items cost, which is 175 rupees 75 paise and 235 rupees 45 paise. These two numbers you need to add, children. You will get the sum of these two numbers. No, that sum you subtract from the 500 rupees, which is which amount she bought from her grandfather. Okay, then you get the left amount. Again, I am repeating this problem, children. You need to add these two numbers. That sum you subtract from the 500 rupees. So she will get the back amount. Okay. Thank you, children.